Number 5. Who is your hero? Find a role model. Who do you think of when you say, "I wish I had her/his life"? Find out how they got there. Success takes training. And there is always a favorite teacher we love willing to get us there. Find your hero. Then become your own hero. Number 4. Plan ahead. Goal boards were created by great minds for a reason. Planning out your success takes baby steps. Outline your mini goals. Attach pictures to the goal board. Names of people you want to meet. Pictures of places you want to go. Your dream car. That dream house. Fill that board with dreams and desires. You can do. They did it. Why can't you? Number 3. Say no. This may seem odd, but there will be times you should turn down a job, date, car, or house because it is not what you dreamed of. It is not what you want. Do not take anything to accomplish something for someone else and nothing for yourself. Know when to say no. When all else fails, go with your gut. And know when to say yes. Number 2. Be determined. You cannot give up. If it means the world to you, you have to stick the tough times out. Ride the wave. Use this time to find ways to meet your mini goals. Research. Train your brain. Study what others in your field have done. What are they doing now? Keep at it until you break through. Whatever you do, do not give up. I know it is cliché, but the light really is at the end of the tunnel. Number 1. Believe in yourself. There is nothing better to get you over a hurdle or through a rough patch than your own willpower. Write notes on post-it sheets about your success. Your accomplishments. You graduated high school. College. You got that job. You walked a mile. You ran 5. You woke up. You got the idea. Good luck. Be blessed. Never stop chasing your dreams.